Hello, I'm Jeff Dvorak, Pepper Superintendent, out at Hinsdale Central High School with another construction update. The Fine Arts Addition and Plaza is now completed, with the exterior landscaping being completed this week. We have been busy throughout the school this summer with several remodeled areas, starting with the library. The windows overlooking the new Student Services addition are all new, with taller windows opening up into the space. The library was completely gutted and is well underway with ceiling reinstall, walls, paint, millwork, and carpet. The kitchen and cafeteria areas were also a full demo and reinstall. We are currently installing the epoxy floor in the kitchen area, with kitchen equipment coming next week. The CTE is another space that received a full gut. We are currently working on epoxy floor in this area, painting ceilings, completion of overhead mechanical work with equipment in the coming weeks. We are remodeling several other areas throughout the school, including a new photo lab, darkroom, classroom, new doors throughout the school, brand new ceilings adjacent to the main office, new lighting. The old Student Services area has also been converted into new classrooms and a community room. I hope you enjoyed this week's update for the construction progress at Hinsdale Central High School.